Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video, I will show you how to fix spinning wheel icon next to the Wi-Fi on iPhone and iPad. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start the solutions. Solution number 1. Force quit all apps in the background and restart your iPhone. For that, double tap on Home button, force quit all running apps. Now go to Settings, tap General, tap Shutdown, drag the slider to power off, wait for a couple of minutes and turn on your iPhone. Solution number 2. Reset statistics in cellular. For that, go to Settings and tap Mobile or Cellular Data. Now scroll down and tap Reset Statistics. And tap again Reset Statistics. Solution number 3. Force restart your iPhone. Press Home button and the power button at the same time until we see Apple logo, and also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. Solution number 4. Reset network settings. For that, launch settings and tap General. Now tap Reset and tap Reset network settings, iPhone passcode, and tap again Reset network settings to confirm. Solution number 5. Check for software update. Go to Settings, connect to Wi-Fi, tap General, tap Software Update, and update your iPhone if update is available. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.